Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Instagram personal account to business account. It's pretty easy and simple. Today I'm gonna show you that. So let's get start our video. First of all, launch on your Instagram application, and after that you need to go your profile icon, and here you can see this is your Instagram profile. So guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So first of all, tap on the top right corner 3-line menu bar option. Here you can see 3-line, just tap it. And then on the down here you can see settings option, just tap on this settings. And that after that you get a option account. There you can see account, so just select on account. And then on the down here you can see Swiss professional account. On the down here you can see Swiss professional account, just select on this. And then get professional tools, continue. Learn about your followers, continue. Read more people's, continue. Get new contact options, this continue. And you need to select here any option you can select. Here you can see artist, cloth, designer, education, what kind of category for your business page or anything. I select gamer like that, and then next. Here you can see it's loading, and then you need to select creator or business. What's your character, business or creator? I select creator because I select game, my base category. Then next, and then here you can see everything is here. Add your profile. You need to complete this 4 step. Here you can see 0 of 4 step completed, so you need to complete this 4 steps. So a first step I can complete. Name, what is name? My name, sorry, Parkin. Parkin. Website I don't have. Bio, I am a gaming video creator, like that. That's okay. And then complete it. So here you can see one step is complete, and go to next step. Invite friend. I can invite my friend here from invite. I don't have friend here, like that. So then share photos and video, create or post. I can share any photo here. Okay, then let's back. There you can see on step 2 more. Here you can see 2 more option. আরো দুইটা, another 2 post you need to create. Type something, that's it. Then again go here. There you can see one more. You need to again post on more things. That's it. Now 2 step is complete. Here you can see. Then explore professional tools. Explore professional tools. Add a story. Here you can see you need to add your story. To step complete, explore to promotes. You need to promote it or not, only that's it. Then okay, 3 step complete. You need to on more, invite friends. How can you invite your friends? Via WhatsApp, follow contacts, get start, that's it. Then 4 step is completed. Here you can see 4 step totally completed. After that, done it. Now you can see your Facebook business page, that is your business page is created, and you convert your Facebook personal account to business account is already promote. So guys, in this way you can change or you can convert your personal profile, Instagram personal profile, to business profile very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching.